Hey guys, welcome again to this new video installation for Errandlr delivery. So to get started with, make sure you are updated, your plugin is updated to the latest version. So as you can see, I'm running on version 1.0.6. So please make sure you're running on that. So after that is done, go to your WooCommerce settings page and head down to your shipping location. Once you get to your shipping location, navigate down to Errandlr delivery. On clicking on that, make sure your settings is active. Make sure the mode is set to live, because live is when you are ready to start collecting shipment and sending shipment to Errandlr. So once that is done, pass in your live token, pass in your sandbox if you care to use the sandbox. But the most important part is this live token, because this live token work with the live mode. Okay, so in case you are looking on how to get your live tokens, very simple. Click on this link that we have here and it will take you to Errandlr landing page. Then click on this drop down, click on login, log into your account, and once you are logged in, you are going to be asked to select the dashboard type, which is the latest version of Errandlr page. So let's wait for that to come up. My network is a bit slow, so sorry about that. Let's just hold a while. Okay, good. So we are here. You click on the API section. Once you click on the API portal, that will bring you to this page. So once you are on this page, click on this drop down that we have here, then go to developer section. Over here you can select your live token. So as you can see, I have my live secret key. Once you copy it, go back again to your WooCommerce settings page and paste it into this place. Once you are done pasting, scroll down, set your name, set your email, pick up country, pick up state, pick up city, pick up address, your phone number in international format. Make sure it's international format. And if you care to add a discount for the premium shipment, you can pass in your desired amount that is going to add a discount to that. And if you care to pass discount amounts for economy also, it's going to add a discount to the economy by subtracting the amount you pass into this place from the initial amount coming from Errandlr. Okay, so after that is passed, you can also set a fixed amount for your premium, set a fixed amount for your economy. So if you set a fixed amount for your premium, it's going to automatically override the entire pricing coming from Errandlr, and also the same applies to the economy. It's going to override it. So let me just show you how that works. So I'm going to pass a discount for the premium here. Okay, let's say before I pass that, let me click on save changes without anything. So if it is empty, it's going to fall back to the default behavior. Okay, so let me go to the checkout page. So view site. Oh, I should have opened this view site in the new tab, so that's going to be very easy for us to work with. So now this is open a new tab. I'll go to my shop and I'm going to add this product to carts. Go to my carts, go to checkout. So on the checkout page, we are going to see that we have a calculation that is coming from Errandlr delivery. So the first one is the premium delivery, which is 2 to 4 hours, 3,000 naira, and the economic delivery, which is 1 to 5 days, which is 1,500 naira. So let's say this amount we have here, you don't want your customer to be saying that you want to apply a discount to whatever is coming to this end. So let's start with the discounts. So if I pass in a discount for the premium, let's say discount of 200 naira, the same applies to the economy discount of 100 naira. So let's start with the discount. If I click on save changes, that will be saved to the database, and if I refreshed, it's going to be applied to what is coming there. So as you can see, we have 2,800 naira, 200 is deducted, and the economy we have 1,400, 100 naira deducted. So let's say now we don't want to pass discounts, we just want a fixed amount. So you want your customer to see a fixed amount, and whatsoever comes from Errandlr delivery, you will sort it out with them in your wallet. So To do that is very simple. Pass in your fixed amount. Let's say you want the delivery to be 550 naira, 550, and the economy should be 1000. So once you click on save changes, this is going to take effect immediately. So by the time the user reloads its page, the new details is going to be applied. As you can see, 550 naira for the premium, and for the economy we have 1000 naira. Okay, so if you don't want to use these steps anymore, it's very simple. All you just need to do is to clear the initial pricing you set from that you set earlier on, and click on save changes. Once that is being saved, then you have empty feed for this area, and this pricing is going to fall back to the default pricing coming from Errandlr delivery. So as you can see, we have here 3000 naira, and yeah, we have here 1500 naira. So if I change my address to my recent address, you are going to see that there is a change in the price discount. As you can see, it's going to change from 3000 to something else. So as you can see, it is now 4500, and economy is fixed, so it is 1500 naira. Okay, so thank you so much for taking your time to watch this current video. See you in the next one. Bye.